In today's interconnected world, violent extremism challenges the very foundation of our global community. It represents the harmful beliefs and actions of those using violence to fulfill ideological, religious, or political goals, and knows no borders, impacting societies worldwide, destabilizing regions, and putting countless lives at risk. Recognizing its widespread influence is the first step towards understanding the severity of this challenge. Extremism fuels discord and violence, eroding the social and cultural bonds of communities, threatening not only immediate safety, but also the long term prospects for peace and prosperity. Addressing this crisis promptly and decisively is essential for maintaining harmony and progress. As we uncover the narratives of affected individuals and the mechanisms driving extremism, the path towards preventing it begins to emerge, filled with hope and the promise of a safer, united world. Our journey reveals a beacon of hope against the backdrop of violent extremism. Standing united, we become a formidable defense through international cooperation, education, and vibrant community engagement. The segment Uniting for Prevention celebrates the dawn of global and local efforts to counteract extremism. Nations and communities are forging comprehensive strategies, proving unity's strength in generating peace and security worldwide. On the grassroots level, local initiatives empower residents, fostering environments where understanding and vigilance weaken extremism's appeal. Success stories of communities overcoming this threat serve not just as inspiration but as guidance, demonstrating the power of education and collective voice against hate. This journey underscores how everyone's participation contributes to a preventive tapestry. Our choices today shape a safer tomorrow, highlighting our individual roles in resisting extremism's shadows. Confronted with violent extremism, we each face the question, what can I do? The answer lies in our collective power to enact change. Being informed and engaged in our communities through education and dialogue lets us stand together. But our commitment doesn't stop. Vigilance is ongoing. It's about recognizing not just the threats, but also the opportunities to make a positive impact every day. Our united actions can turn ripples into waves of change. Today, we call on everyone to stay informed, get involved, and remain vigilant. By adopting these roles, we combat the spread of extremism and lay the foundation for a future marked by peace and security. Together, let's build this future.